Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Day after day, I'm more.
In this episode, we go for a hike up to a viewpoint where we can see the Pillars of Hercules, and we celebrate Easter traditions from different countries.
You know it's a game I hate to lose. I'm feeling the pain. Ain't that a shame? Oh, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Time to go on another adventure. Hey, Dreamcatcher! Daryl and Shirley from Dreamcatcher.
Yes, yeah. So what are you guys up to today?
We're going to go for a walk north.
Are you?
I think there's a observation area up there, a scenic lookout up the hill by Santa Margarita.
Oh, right.
And you can get the bus there, but I think we'll walk up there and take the bus back.
And how long will that take?
I don't know, probably a couple hours. It's like 9 kilometers.
Going uphill.
Yeah. Go to the top and get a view out further and see what that looks like. Day off.
Day off. It's more like working.
I'm not on my knees. Not bending my back. So it feels good. Got a nice hiking trail here. This is in Santa Margarita, just north of La Linea, northeast.
Hey, bakkies. Pauze?
Sure.
Break. So there's Gibraltar in the back.
And Morocco.
And Morocco on the other side, over there.
It's the other pillar.
Yeah.
The Pillars of Hercules. That's the Straits of Gibraltar right there. A little hazy there, but
We're going back. It's a lot uphill. Heading behind the mountain there. Now it's downhill. Went uphill here. 10% downhill.
it's like 20% uphill.
At least.
There we go. There's a nice view coming up. See that ship's on anchor? That's the Costa del Sol side. See the beaches? Santa Margarita. They made her a saint because she invented a really good drink. It's a pretty beach over there. Totally different than by La Linea. It's just not so built up there. A lot of ships on anchor. I guess so. The Costa del Sol. It's the beginning of it. Got it?
Yep.
I think it's recording.
I think so too. Riet?
Dood.
Hetty. That's only for the lampen cups.
Yeah.
It's hot in March.
Last day of March.
Margaritaville.
Santa Margaritaville.
paradise.
Maybe.
And back in the bus.
We received some unfortunate news that a friend of ours, Mark, who was also a member with me in the Whiskey Club, had suddenly passed away. Since we were unable to attend his funeral, to honor Mark, we set the whiskey flag at half-mast.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter.
Zo eigenlijk.
Aitik. See if you keep your win from last year.
Did I win?
Mm-hmm.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. 1, 2, tik.
Ah.
I won! Yay!
Woehoe!
Woo!
Kijken of deze het ook doet.
Can I use the same one?
Ja, you have to. Have the winner.
1, 2.
No, you won again.
Yay!
This one is broken.
1, 2.
Ah, 3 times. I'm the loser. The Love Boat.
Is on the
Michael is
armed and ready.
armed.
Ready to go.
Armed and ready to go. Polish tradition, second It's leaking back.
Yeah, of course it's leaking. Keep talking before it all leaks out.
It's gonna be a water war out here. We're gonna get wet. But before we go, do we need a big bucket? Fill with water.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You have to be careful today, you can be wet.
Well, in fact, we're leaving.
Oh, you're leaving now?
Are you going to Motril?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah. Take your advice, Mike.
Great.
Yeah.
Give Roberto our greetings.
Yeah.
We will for sure.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, let's attack them.
Take care.
I heard there was a Polish tradition.
Come on, guys!
Leaving you on your own.
Let's be on
Never arm your enemies. Oh, that's done.
That's it.
Oh, I'm almost out of ammo.
Okay, the Polish way to do it.
You missed it.
The Polish way to do it. Okay, I'll cover you.
I cover you.
Cover me.
Oh, it's seawater.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, two can play that game. What a great tradition!
Yes, I mean, and there's a Polish crew over there, and so that guy really came over here this morning, and we are, having a battle. All of a sudden, he was behind me, with a bucket. Just like this. So a lot of fun.
Well, Leontine was doing the research just to know dingus.
Dingus.
Yeah, dingus. And it's funny because in the Dutch language, that means it's a name for like if you don't know what
Something.
to call something. Oh, dingus.
Oh, nice one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nice
Good night.
tradition.
It's a nice tradition. And, it gets a child in you. Actually. Okay.
Here we go.
I shall have the Polish way with the bucket.
Ah, yeah. Oh, he's putting down his arm. Straight in the face.
Give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get lost in the rock and roll.
Better than that. Yeah, that holds more than this.
Give me the beat for to free my soul. I wanna get
Enough. Yours is empty.
Almost, yeah.
Maybe.
The Polish way. Buckets.